Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the pull through braid. So first I start by brushing through to get all the tangles out, and then I take a small section and use a hair tie to tie it together. For her we used a clear elastic just so they would hide a little better, but if your model or client has dark hair you can use a darker hair tie as well. To start the pull through, you're going to take another section, pull it over that first ponytail and tie it together. And then you're going to split that one, take the first pony and pull it up over that and have your model hold it, or you can clip it up, whichever is easier for you. And then the hair that's left out, you're going to tie that with an elastic to create that pull through. Then just continue repeating those steps until you finish the look.
I can see the doubt in your eyes. You say there's no such thing as better things in life. Well, I must confess this is all too new for me. A whole new world, a whole new world. This is not a place in my head.
Once you get to the end, you'll just tie everything together and then pancake out the braid. I usually just play around with it until I get that messy look that everybody loves. You can always add a hair scarf just to spice up the look or match one of your outfits. Or a scrunchie just to hide the elastic is always a good idea. If you have any questions about this braid, make sure to comment them below and don't forget to like and subscribe.